School will resume at Keolu Elementary after the school took first steps toward rebuilding a battered building on its campus. KITV4's Paul Drews has the latest developments.
Yunji, even though school was closed today because of wind damage, testing was still taking place. Testing to see if the roof that was ripped off can be quickly cleaned up. There was no doubt the 50-mile-per-hour winds did damage at the school. It tore open the cafeteria like a can of sardines. But the big question at that school is whether there was asbestos in the roofing material. If not, the debris can be safely cleared and the cafeteria's kitchen can still be used.
They are still able to serve food, so that's the good news. The bad news, the dining room does not look like that's going to be available real soon. There's a lot of leakage coming down, and so in the back we have a lot of materials back there that you know, like just files and things like that. The water has gone on it, and we're just throwing them out right now.
Now, students could still be served from the kitchen and eat under a nearby covered area. The principal said there is also concern about water damage from the storm and structural damage to the A building, which had roofing materials blown off as well. Now, late this afternoon, word came in from the Department of Education that Keolu Elementary will reopen tomorrow for classes. Also, that there was some asbestos found in one area of the roof. That area will be taped off and students and personnel kept away. Yunji, Paula, back to you.